Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back again with me, Fatmalia, with name 202432008. This video I will make two C++ programs. Normally, about printing each nickname where each line will be reduced at the last letter using a nested loop and creating and inputting dynamic arrays. Without further delay, let's get to the discussion. Printing a name pattern using a nested loop. In this program, we will use the for loop to reduce the number of characters printed with each iteration. Here is the program code used. Code explanation. Number 1, header and namespace. Include IOStream used to include the standard C++ input-output library. Using namespace std used so that we don't have a read-write std before every use of C++ standard objects like cout. Number 2, declaration and initialization. String name Fatma initializes the string variable name with the value Fatma. Number 3, nested loop. First loop, this loop will run 5 times. The variable a is used to reduce the number of characters to be printed each iteration. Second loop, this loop will print the characters of the name string from index 0 to index 5a and 1. Each time the other loop a increases, the number of printed characters decreases by 1. Number 4, printing a pattern. Cout name j prints the characters of the name string at index j. Cout and l prints a new line characters after each iteration of the inner loop, so that each new line started after printing one compiled pattern. The output of this program will be as follows. Next, we will discuss a C++ program that demonstrates the use of dynamic arrays. The program aims to print a nickname pattern that decreases by 1 letter per line, as well as store and display nickname and name data string dynamic arrays. This program demonstrates the basic concept of C++ programming involving string and integer manipulation, dynamic memory allocation, and the use of nested loops. Here is the program code used. Function declaration main. In main, this is the starting point of the program execution. The return type indicates that this function will return an integer value. Variable declaration. Two variables leg name and leg name are declared to store the leg of the name and name to be input by the user, and the leg of the name and name. The program prompts the user to input the leg of the nickname and name. Dynamic memory allocation. Char name new chart like name plus 1 creates a pointer to an array of characters with size like name plus 1. Plus 1 is used to store a null character at the end of the string to mark the end of the string. In name, new and like name creates a pointer to an integer array of integer of size like name to store the name numbers. Name input use the loop to prompt the user to enter characters by one for a nickname is added at the end of the name array to mark the end of the string. The input, the program uses a loop to prompt the user to enter the number by number of name. Each number is stored in the name array. Input name and name. The program displays the name and name that have been inputted by the user. Memory relocation. Memory that has been dynamically allocated if is read again. And the program ends by returning the value 0. Output result. If the user enters name like 5 and name like that enter the name Fatma and name 202432008, then the output will be as follows. That's all from this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye everyone.